Hello everyone, welcome back to C4 CookBook. Did you ever feel like eating something royal but without standing in the kitchen for hours? Then today's recipe is just for you. Soft paneer, sweet green peas and fragrant basmati rice all coming together in one simple homely pulao. So without wasting time, let's quickly get into this easy and super tasty Paneer Matar Pulao recipe. To make this pulao, I have taken 1.5 cups of basmati rice. Now wash the rice really well and soak it in water for at least 20 minutes. It helps the rice cook evenly and stay nice and fluffy. Next, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Fry on low to medium heat until they turn golden brown in color. Once they are nicely golden brown, remove them and keep aside. Next, I am going to fry the paneer in the same pan. Fry on low to medium heat until they turn light golden on all sides. Don't overcook, keep them soft. Once they are nicely golden, remove them and keep aside. To the same pan, add some whole spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaf. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute it on low flame for a few seconds. To this, add 1 large onion sliced, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it on medium flame until the onion turns soft and light golden. Now you can see the onions are soft and light golden. To this, add 1 cup of fresh green peas, that is matar, along with 1 teaspoon of crushed green chilli. Saute it on medium flame for 2 minutes. The matar is nicely fried now. Next, I am adding the soaked rice. Gently mix everything well. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder along with some salt. Next, I am adding 3 cups of water to it. Finally, add half lemon juice. Give it a mix and let it boil on high heat. Once it boils, close the lid and let it cook on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and give it a quick mix. At this stage, add fried paneer and cashew nuts. And finally, add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Close the lid and cook on low flame for another 10 minutes or until the rice is perfectly done. Now it's been 10 minutes. Let's check the pulao. Wow, nice aroma is coming from it. Each grain is separate and the paneer is soft. Served hot with raita or pickle and you have got a complete meal ready. If you loved this easy homely recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with another yummy recipe. Until then, happy cooking!